Yes, I ordered the Apple Vision Pro and I'm on my way to pick it up right now. Despite harboring a justified dose of skepticism, I'm still really eager to try this out for myself. I opted for same day pickup at my nearby Apple store. Behind the scenes, Apple's meticulous craftsmen painstakingly hand pack each Vision Pro order. It's a true testament to their unwavering commitment to perfection, but also makes sense given the cost of this luxury item and the various sizing options. Ignoring the enticing suggestion from an Apple employee to try on the device in store, I resisted the temptation, knowing that the true magic of the Vision Pro awaited me back at home, laid out on a table, undressed in front of a camera, the normal way people usually unbox things. Back to what I initially said, while I'm eager, I do have many reservations about this product. Not only is the absolutely absurd price tag an initial turnoff, the overall value in return for that price tag is where I'm most curious, given this is a first gen product after all, and it's already pretty well known at this point that its capabilities are limited. However, I digress and it's time to dive right in. Removing those first two pull tabs and lifting up the box, we're greeted with Apple's Vision Pro. And wow, this is my first encounter with Apple's Vision Pro in person, as I have yet to experience any demos, nor have I seen the actual device until now. The impact is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Kudos must be given to Apple for the remarkable presentation upon unboxing this device. Okay, right away, this feels lighter, like a lot lighter than what the initial reviews mentioned. I'll of course have to try it on, use it for a few hours, but this doesn't seem heavy at all. The overall design is very reminiscent of many Apple products, from the Apple Watch, the first gen original iPhone, and even the cheese grater design of the Mac Pro, for example. There's definitely no mistaking that this was made by Apple. Inside the rest of the box, you will get Apple's very expensive polishing cloth. You'll also get the light seal. You'll also get some additional documentation, and this documentation is quite thick, a lot to read there. Of course, you'll also get the dual loop band, which gives you some additional added comfort with the strap over the top of your head. You'll also get a USB-C charger in the box with the brick, which is nice considering the high cost. And then, of course, you'll have your battery pack, which is really interesting. It has a very interesting adapter that attaches to the Vision Pro. It reminds me of something like in Black Mirror that you would like attach to the side of your head. It's really unique looking. It's an interesting way to power up and boot up the Vision Pro. Of course, proprietary, I'm sure, to Apple, like many of their adapters of the past. And then we have the battery pack, which is very reminiscent to me of like an iPod or the original iPhone even. It's very interesting, but very sleek overall. Design aside though, I'm curious how well that battery pack performs. Now I'm going to remove the rest of the packaging from the Vision Pro and kind of just spin it around, kind of give you an initial look as well at Apple's Vision Pro. And while I do that, I am curious, what's your take on the Vision Pro? Did you manage to snag one for yourself? Are you intrigued by the prospect of a dystopian future where we're all tethered to our devices adorning to our faces? Or do you simply see it as a fascinating novelty that you wouldn't necessarily invest in yourself? Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm super eager to have that discussion with you. In the meantime, I'm going to try this on, get the Apple Vision Pro all set up, and report back in another video on my overall thoughts after I explore the many wonders, or well, maybe the many letdowns that await Apple's Vision Pro. Is it a dawn of a new future, or is it yet another headset doomed to collect dust in an old tech drawer, or face being returned altogether? Only time will tell. Until then, hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.